The type of ex he will be based on his zodiac sign. Aries. He will view the breakup as a defeat on his part, and so he will not hesitate to badmouth you. But soon enough, he will get bored and forget all about you. Taurus. This sign prefers to grieve in silence. He will never let you know that the breakup is making him suffer. Instead, he will try to focus on his career as a means of moving on. Gemini. He will try leading you on, even after a breakup, because this sign is very clever while sending you mixed signals. You might never know when he starts to miss you. Cancer. This sign finds it very difficult to move on if you have broken his heart. He will continue to make you feel guilty for a long time after the breakup because he can get very emotional. Leo. He will always try to be better than you, even after you both have broken up. He will make everything a matter of competition and never consider your real feelings. Virgo. He will have a very negative vibe surrounding him every time you bump into him because he tends to think very lowly of you. But he'll never display his real intentions. Libra. He will try to avoid any confrontation because he hates talking about things that have hurt him. It has also got to do with his sincerity. He will never let you know if he is hurting. Scorpio. This sign will never forget or forgive you. He will be prepared to take revenge on you in case you have dumped him or broken up with him over a very lame reason. Sagittarius. All he cares about is how to retain a relationship with you, no matter how ugly it turns. He will do anything to keep you by his side, including emotional blackmail and torture. Capricorn. He will move on as fast as he can because for him, his career comes first. He needs to have a steady and clear mind to work properly, and thinking about exes and former relationships won't let that happen. Aquarius. He will break your heart even if you both are done with each other. He will showcase that he never has had any real feelings for you, even if he did. Pisces. He faces immense trouble accepting a breakup and will try to portray you as the bad one in the relationship. It's also not easy to get rid of this sign as they can get clingy.